Hi, welcome to the TunesKit channel. Today we will show you how to fix iOS 18 update stuck on update requested. Method 1. Ensure a smooth network connection. Step 1. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal and cellular data are strong by checking the signal strength indicator on your device. Connect your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network or use a cellular network with a 5G signal. Method 2. Free up storage space. Lack of storage space can hinder the update process. You can check the list of apps and their storage usage, then delete or offload unnecessary apps, media files, or other data you no longer need. Method 3. Force restart iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Next, push and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. TunesKit iOS System Recovery can repair 150 plus iOS problems and have the highest success rate to fix it with the following steps. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Choose iOS System Repair. We can see it can support the repair of iOS update failure or stuck on Apple logo. Click Start. Choose Standard Repair. Step 4. Check the device info. Then tap the download button and start to download the firmware package. If it is complete, tap the repair button. Wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Then you can check whether the repair and update are completed in the settings. Method 5. Remove the update file. You can check iPhone storage in settings to see if there are any previous update files that have not been deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.